create dimensions. Hi, ako nga pala si Arjay Fox. This video shows how to create dimensions which help analyze business transactions. Halimbawa sa pag-track ng sales revenue per geographical area or pag-track ng expenses per department at iba pa. The arrangement vary based on what we intended to analyze and the structure ng company. In the Business Central, you will find the dimensions set up under Home and Finance. At piliin o pindutin natin tong dimensions. A dimensions name department is provided. So, yun ang gagamitin natin. To establish the possible option for the values that we can choose for this dimension, click the dimension at may lalabas siyang drop down. Click the dimension values. Yung departments ay may values for 3 departments. Ito yung administration, production, and sales. If needed, pwede natin i-arrange yung dimension values in a hierarchy like a chart of accounts. Ngayon, pwede na natin i-add ang ating department dimension sa transactions so we can analyze the transaction later. By making a dimension global, it will be accessible throughout Business Central, in journals, documents, and lookups in the general ledger, which will simplify the process of entering dimension values and performing fundamental analysis. It is advisable to choose frequently utilized dimensions as a global dimensions. Now, create global dimensions. Go to the search icon, type in the General Ledger Setup in the General Ledger Setup window by choosing the Change Global Dimensions. Just click the button, then click Change Global Dimensions. So, pwede tayong mag-add ng default dimensions value as defaults to master data like customers, items, vendors, salespersons, and general ledger accounts. So, para hindi na natin siya i-enter every transaction. Tinatrack natin ang revenue at expenses for departments, so we will add defaults to the customer because they belong to the sales department. Tignan naman natin tong customer card. Dito, click customer, then click dimensions. This customer always make purchase via the sales office. So, we will use only this value. Sa value posting field, select the same code so that the Business Central uses only the same value. So, anong mangyayari kapag nag-post tayo ng sales invoice where the default values differ from the customers and salesperson? This only becomes an issue if the value posting is a set to same code for both customers and salesperson. If we do not configure the value posting parameter or require a dimension, we can set up a hierarchy in the default dimension priorities windows so that the Business Central picks one. Go to the search icon and search for the default dimension priorities. The default dimension priorities page shows source code, which are the type of business transaction. We will prioritize the table to get dimension values from. For example, for sales, customers are first priority if there is a value, and last is the item. Posting with dimension is easy. Typically, default values do the job for us. However, for special transaction like correction, we might want to change the dimensions. For documents, default values are assigned to the header and used on lines. We can change both. If we do, Business Central asks if we want to update all lines. New lines used to the new values. And we're done. Thanks for watching. We just seen how to use dimension to track and analyze transactions. Set up as many dimensions and accommodate different setups. Control how and when dimensions are used, and resolve conflicts between multiple entities with different default values.